Hey there, welcome back to Dr. K. Today we're diving into something that affects millions, but no one wants to talk about. Bad breath? That's right. That embarrassing condition that can destroy your social life and crush your confidence in seconds. Ever been talking to someone and noticed they suddenly backed away? Or maybe you're the one worried about your breath right now? Well, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to banish bad breath forever. Bad breath, or as we doctors call it, halitosis, isn't just about eating too much garlic. There's a whole science behind what's happening in your mouth. And guess what? Most people are completely wrong about how to fix it. Let me tell you something shocking. Nearly 50% of the bacteria in your mouth are hanging out on your tongue. That's right. Your toothbrush might be missing the biggest culprit. So why should you care? Because bad breath isn't just embarrassing. It could be a warning sign of something more serious. It's your body trying to tell you something important. Now let's break down the true causes of that foul smell that might be sabotaging your social life. First up, food particles. Those tiny bits trapped between your teeth are like an all-you-can-eat buffet for bacteria. And what do bacteria do after a good meal? They release sulfur compounds. Yep, the same stuff that makes rotten eggs smell horrible. Smoking is another major villain here. Not only does it leave its own unpleasant odor, it's also setting you up for gum disease. Dry mouth is a breath killer. Your saliva is actually your mouth's natural cleaning system. Without it, those food particles hang around way too long if you wake up with morning breath. That's why. Did you know certain medications can cause bad breath? It's true. Some drugs create chemical compounds that release odors when you exhale. Others contribute to dry mouth. Now, here's something really interesting. If your breath smells like fish and you haven't eaten any seafood recently, you might have a rare condition called trimethylaminuria, or TMAO. It's a genetic condition where your body can't break down certain compounds, leaving you with a fishy odor. Crazy, right? But don't worry, I'm not just here to scare you with problems. I've got solutions that actually work. Let's talk about the best ways to kick bad breath to the curb. Brushing is obvious, but are you doing it right? You need to brush thoroughly, up, down, back, and forth, at least twice a day. Morning and before bed is essential. But here's the twist. What you're brushing with matters too. Most toothbrushes are made of plastic, which is terrible for our planet. Want to make a difference? Switch to a bamboo toothbrush. They're not just eco-friendly. Bamboo actually has natural antimicrobial properties. That means fewer bacteria hanging out on your brush. Don't forget to floss daily. I know, everyone hates flossing, but those food particles trapped between your teeth are major contributors to bad breath. Just do it. Here's a secret weapon most people miss. Brush your tongue. Remember that 50% of mouth bacteria we talked about? You need to clean that breeding ground daily. Get a toothbrush with a built-in tongue cleaner for best results. Hydration is crucial. A dry mouth is a smelly mouth. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. And if dry mouth is a persistent problem, try sugar-free gum to stimulate saliva production. Watch what you eat. Obvious offenders like garlic and onions release odors as they're digested and enter your bloodstream. These odors then travel to your lungs and come out when you exhale. And too much sugar, it feeds those stinky bacteria, so cut back if you can. So there you have it, the truth about bad breath and how to conquer it once and for all. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more health hacks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips of your own. Until next time, keep smiling with confidence.